the most logical onward step from what you are doing. A lot of that is standard functionality for us. We have some standard functionality in the system automations where on receipts, you complete your receive task, which is your individual line by line receipt. The completion of that receipt within the system, whether it's toggled by the desktop user or whether it is a completed function via the RF user, it generates a follow-on task automatically, which is your put away. So there is no need to say, now give me putaways. They are immediately available. So an RF user, for example, can go straight to put away on the scanner and say, give me my putaways by account, give me by storage unit, give me by goods and receipt reference, and you can choose which way you want to then put that stock away. Similarly on goods out, so you can process your sales order, which will go to a pick. And once you complete your pick task, whether that is both desktop or via RF, it generates automatically your next step in your dispatch strategy. So is it a dispatch task? Is it now part of a load so I can add it to a load? Is it going to be a shipment so then I can pack it and ship it and label it and send it via a courier of choice? So in that respect, the most logical onward step from what you are doing, a lot of that is standard functionality for us. So you don't have to keep coming back to say, can I have my putaways now, please? You know, they're there already. You've received it, it's on the floor, it's in, goods in, you're happy, it's correct, now go and put it away. Alternatively, we've got automations in the system which are event trigger based. So we can set up messages to webhooks or to FTPs. So create a file and download to an FTP folder of your choice in what format you want. And we can do it via event trigger, but we can also do it via schedule now. So we can choose when we want to send that information. And you can set it on a number of different ways. So you could say, for example, when I complete a sales order, send me a notification that says that order has been completed in full. Or you can say, when I create a sales order, create a file in a CSV, drop it in an FTP, and we can upload that to a TMS. So that the TMS knows that there are jobs created, create the transport plan, send that information back, pick those sales order in the time that they need to be dispatched. So there's lots of different ways that we can use the system based on something that is physically happening to either generate something next for you to do on the floor as an operation, or send messages out to wherever they need them to go, back to customers, other systems, transport management systems. So it's a really good tool.